So in this video, we're going to talk about calculations involving pH. So there are two types of calculations predominantly that you're going to encounter. The first type of calculation, so the first type is when the problem gives you some information, it gives you the pH, and it asks you to, from the pH, to determine the H plus ion concentration, or I'm going to put those square brackets around there, or the H3O plus concentration, or it can even ask you to find the OH minus ion concentration from that. So basically, the pH is given to you, you're supposed to find the concentration. So these are all concentrations. Okay, that's the first type of calculation. The second type of calculation that you'll experience is when uh, the concentration is given to you, and from that you're supposed to determine the pH or the pOH. And in either case, after you determine these concentrations, an additional question might be asked where they might ask you, and the question is the same for either one of this: is the solution acidic or basic or neutral? Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of examples. Okay, so example one, where they give you let's say, for example, we give you a pH, a solution with a pH of 2, and the question says, what's the H3O plus concentration, and then is the solution acidic, basic, or neutral? And very simply, all you got to do out here is you got to remember that pH is equal to negative log of the H3O plus ion concentration. So a good way to do this is you got to reverse this equation out here, okay? So when you reverse it, a quick and easy trick I can show you is, if pH is equal to negative log of H3O plus ion concentration, then you can write H3O plus ion concentration is equal to 10 raised to negative pH. It's as simple as that. So you plug that into your calculator, 10 raised to negative pH, and you get 10 raised to negative 2. And when you do that, your answer is basically H3O plus concentration is basically 10 raised to negative 2 molar, or moles per liter. Now, if you express this in scientific notation, sometimes your calculator will give you the answer in scientific notation. That's literally 1.0 times 10 raised to negative 2 moles per liter. Okay? So that's one way. And now, the second part of the question, which was, is this acidic, basic, or neutral? You don't even need to solve. If the pH is already given to you, you don't need to infer acidic, basic, or neutrality from this answer. From the concentration, you can directly infer it from the value of the pH. So that's going to be, since the pH is 2, the solution is basically going to be acidic, since the pH is less than 7. Now, the second type that we're going to look at is when the concentration is given to you, and from there you have to deduce the pH. So let's say, for example, I give you an H3O plus concentration of 1.0 times 10 to the negative 5 molar. And the question is the same. What's the pH? And is the solution acidic, basic, or neutral? So all you got to do is take the negative log of the H3O plus concentration, which is negative log of 1.0 times 10 to the negative 5, and you plug that into your calculator and you'll get a pH of 5. Okay, and as you can see, a pH of 5 tells you that the solution is going to be acidic. Okay.